All right. Hey, we're going to Elizabeth Street, 264 Elizabeth. Yep.
Doing a time lapse.
No, I'm just capturing everything, bro. Nothing is uncaptured.
How much memory you got on there?
100,000 gigs. It's a beautiful day. We're on our way to the Tom store for the NALU pop-up shop. We're excited. Here with Justin.
What's up, YouTube?
He's a photographer.
I take pictures.
He's gonna be shooting the day. I'm gonna be screen printing. We're almost there. It's gonna be awesome. Made it.
Dubstep montage. I'm gonna film
it's
you.
right here.
You got the vlog going?
Yeah, we're in Tom's. Just a little vlog around.
You know what?
This is the space. We're getting organized right now with all the shirts. Screen printing all around. We'll come back when it's all set up. We're here, NALU event, about to be a live performance. It's gonna be awesome. We're excited. Stay tuned for more. Feeling it? Feeling good?
We're feeling good. The night is coming close to an end.
We're close.
We've got 20 minutes left.
And we're selling.
We're getting them out the door.
Hell yeah.
It's gonna be good.
Hell yeah. All right, Riley, you film it. You just hold her steady. You over here. Going.
Okay.
Right on the side. So you just swipe it this way, and we're swiping back. We gotta put pressure on it. Yeah. So just like pretty much as hard as you can. Yeah, hard. Yeah. I'm back. Push it. We'll do one more for safekeeping. Really hard. Yeah. Yes. Oh, look at that. You see that? Money. We're good.
It's like getting so into it.
All right, I'm gonna hold this. You just rip the screen off all the way out. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, man. We're finished here, we're packing up, dirty as can be. Sayonara. What would you say?
Until next time?
Until next time.
It's not like a goodbye. I know it sounds cheesy.
It's not a goodbye. It's until next time.
It's a good day.
And thank you every single person here for being here today. You're all making a difference by showing up and by getting a sweatshirt and giving a school uniform. You're literally changing lives forever. You have no idea how much a small uniform, something so simple and so affordable for us, has this huge impact on someone else's life.